to love you, not only love you, but to adore you and cherish you, to not only respect you, but to honour you above all others, to not just spend time with you, but to treasure each moment as a precious gift, to not just care and protect you, but to lay down my life for you.
Yeah, this is for all those lovely ladies out there tonight, looking oh so fine. This is 06 at its finest, baby. Yeah, and we got one for the ladies, you know. Yeah, check it one time. Baby, oh, yeah, you're looking lovely tonight.
To be my wife. To have and to hold from this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poorer. In sickness and in health. To love and to cherish. As long as we both shall live. And I vow that whatever life may bring, I will love you and care for you always.
Always remember to forget the things that made you sad, but never forget to remember the things that made you glad. Always remember to forget the friends that proved untrue, but never forget to remember those that stuck by you. Always remember to forget the troubles that passed away, but never forget to remember the blessings that come each day.
Ja, te mea nui. What is the greatest thing? We say te tangata, te tangata, te tangata. It is people, people, people. That is what this is all about.